Welcome to Car Store. Welcome to feeling more relaxed about finance.
Hi there. By now you have found your dream car and wish to pay for it monthly. Car finance is a very popular way to buy a car as you can spread the costs over years rather than paying one lump sum. Before you hit that submit button, I just want to take some time to explain the difference between personal contract purchase and a hire purchase finance agreement, just so we can make sure you're making the right choice for you. It's easy to get confused with all the acronyms and options such as HP, PCP, but when you cut through the jargon, it's actually very simple. So here is everything you need to know about the options available. If you like to change your car regularly and like the idea of spreading the cost to suit your budget, then personal contract purchase may be the answer. You'll pay an initial deposit, followed by monthly payments spread over the period of your agreement, which you can customise to be between 12 and 48 months long. Within this agreement, you'll be allocated an annual mileage allowance and guidelines for fair wear and tear. Basically, you just need to keep within the annual mileage limit and make sure the car is in satisfactory condition when you come to returning the car. When your PCP plan comes to an end, you'll be given 3 options. Option 1, you buy the car for a fee outlined at the start of your deal. This is listed as the optional purchase payment in your finance quote. Option 2, you hand the car back, and if it has not exceeded fair wear and tear or the agreed annual mileage, you'll have nothing left to pay. Option 3, you part exchange or swap the car for a new one and take out a new personal contract purchase agreement. This flexibility makes PCP an ideal choice for many, and it's a great option if you are looking to pay monthly without committing to buying the car at the end. A hire purchase agreement, known as HP, will suit you if you are looking to own a car outright at the end of the agreement. When you take out a hire purchase agreement, you'll pay an initial deposit followed by monthly repayments over a period of between 12 and 60 months, which you can customise. It's worth noting that the more deposit you put in, the lower the monthly repayments will be. After you've paid your final instalment, along with the option to purchase fee listed in your finance quote, the car is yours. The great thing about HP is you aren't bound to any mileage caps and you don't have to worry about wear and tear fines, as the car will be yours after your final payment. HP is simple and it's a great way to buy a car without paying the entire cost up front. So, that's PCP and HP. Hopefully by now you know which finance option suits you best, so you can get on with the important things like driving your car and enjoying it.
Welcome to discovering the right finance for you. Welcome to more. Welcome to Car Store.